Madison. Hi. Are we eating lunch? Is your mouth very full? So my mouth is very full. Juice? You want your juice? Yes? First tell Mama, how many gods are there? One. Very good. Yay, Madison. Can you clap? Yay, Madison. She wants to know what in the world? Do you love Mommy? Yes. Do you want more? More, please. All right. Let's see. Om, om, om. Om, om, om. Is that good? Yeah. Say, I love you. Yeah. Bye-bye. 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 Madison, bye-bye.